It was tough. I couldn't walk. Even when I walked, normally I have a fast pace. I stay ahead of people. I'd be waiting on them. Like, come on, come on. They were always waiting on me. I was limping so bad, my back was hurting. I couldn't take it. And my pain tolerance is high.
Well, Paul came in with some severe hip pain. He could really not do much of any of the activities that he wished to do. So when he came in to see me, we diagnosed him with severe hip arthritis like we saw on his x-ray.
From that first day I met Dr. McMath, I felt comfortable with him. And he told me what was going to, what needed to be done. And he explained everything out very simple that I could understand it. I didn't know medical terms. And it was like, okay.
It's very gratifying to know that you can help someone who basically is non-functional. It is severely debilitating for a lot of people where they can almost, they can't sleep well, they can't do any physical activity. It's still quite amazing to me after all these years of doing this that the field of orthopedic surgery has been able to offer people such a dramatic improvement in their life and their quality of life.
I can walk without limping and in pain, drive. I'm almost back 100% as to what I did before.
The significant appreciation you see from the patients is really the main thing that keeps us going, I think.